The Eggplant Bird by Cornelius St. Fluff. The red cardinal lifts its wings and descends the blue sky, landing at the top of a leafless weeping willow tree. That red bird feels dark and missing the quiet resolve as it stares at me. The eggplants have released an empty day, an hour after a rainy afternoon. But there are golden flickers of candles amid the airport's sonic booms. It rains against the windows of my mind like seeing an old cigarette commercial. The raindrops hit the panes until the rolling stones fall asleep at the wheel. The slowly dying rain dies slowly like a soldier lying in Flanders fields. I look up and I see the cardinal at the treetop, like a bird from the lollipop gill.